I am saddened to report for transgender people in Florida that a new law there that targets adult gender-affirming care, so again, not youth, but adult gender-affirming care, was allowed to go into effect by a Florida judge. The law essentially states that nurse practitioners are barred from providing care, and it mandates medical misinformation forms for people seeking gender-affirming care, calling the care experimental and highly risky, for instance. Now, previously, the Florida judge had overturned the Florida law that targets transgender youth, but they had to wait until an adult care provision was challenged in court. Meanwhile, the 11th Circuit Court, which is above this judge, ruled that discrimination against trans medical care can go forward, and that because gender-affirming care is not deeply rooted in this nation's history and traditions, you could discriminate against trans people in medical care. So the judge in Florida had to rule accordingly whenever it comes to trans adults. This is a horrifying decision, and I can't overstate how terrible this is for trans Floridians, but it doesn't stop there. You see, many organizations have been calling for adult gender-affirming care bans. Right now, in the national budget fight, there are adult provisions in those budgetary bills. And we might see a government shutdown over anti-trans provisions that target all trans individuals. Anyway, these court cases give precedent to that. And I think that moving forward, we're going to see more states in 2024 target trans adults. The only way they're going to stop is if they lose a major election cycle. And 2024 is looming. We'll see what happens.